Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for a gift for the gamer in your life, this blanket from Liderstar is an awesome option. Who doesn't love a blanket, first of all? This one is incredibly soft on both sides, but the bonus with this blanket is that it glows in the dark. So it's got all of these cool sayings and controllers on here in different colors. And if you expose it to light or even to the UV light that comes with it, every single one of these things glow in the dark. I have two gamer sons, and so they like to use this all the time. They use this to watch TV or anytime to read a book, whatever. It's really easy to take with them from room to room, wherever they are. The other great thing is the size. It is the equivalent of a queen size blanket, so it's huge. So whether it's for a child or an adult, everybody can have lots of room in this blanket. So we've really been loving this blanket. All of the colors are lots of fun, but it also is just really practical, a great gift option, and that's my point of view.